What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. Yo, that Mafia. Yo, it seems like West Bank just dropped a new project today entitled Reprisal. And it seems like he got a whole bunch of Trinidad artists on it. Mainly artists from out of the 6ixx and things, artists like Kman, Kalanjal, you know what I'm saying? So mad artists. And we're gonna check it out, gang. You see me, I might go live later on to react to the full EP. But today we are check out Kman new track. This one is entitled Mafia. Allegedly, this is a diss track towards the 7 and everything, man. But we're not sure. We're gonna check it out, see exactly who get this and thing, why exactly I go on the track. You see me, I say, gang. So I'm not gonna go hold up the vibes much longer, man. It's been a minute since Kman dropped some music. You see me, I say, and that we there wait on. You see me, we're there wait on the music, the bangers, the hits. You see me, I say, we're not too want to hear the war and thing, but if war and thing, I'm going to talk about. So I'm not hold up the vibe much longer. We jump right in the track. Yeah, man, this is Kman 6ixx Mafia. Let's get it.
West Bank Records.
6ixx rise head.
First of all, big up West Bank Records. And from here, 6ixx rise hell, you already know what time it is. That means that Kman is on demon time in this one. You feel me? Let's get it.
Yeah. I just war again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. But I never one piece, got the god a beg post.
Is that J-Man and Fats in the picture? Let me know, gang, on the thumbnail. Let me know. You see me? You say we just gone. Come in.
War again, got the rifle bigger than all of them. But I never one piece, got the god a beg post 7 like.
Woohoo! Never one piece. I could have got a beg. Oh.
Got the rifle bigger than all of them. But I never one piece, got the god a beg post.
You will never one piece. I could have got a beg. Yo, this man, man, bro. Hey.
7 lucky place that not happen.
7 lucky place that not happen.
Every one of us on for kill. Story been told, so we spawn me kid. Hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the lip. Try this.
Shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 boy, you're not gonna live.
Me kid, hey, shoot boy, we not talkative. Try this, the 6 dog in the lip. Try this, the 6 dog 1 by 1. Nigga not run, my gun.
1 by 1, I'm gonna load 1. Hey, oh.
Try this, the 6 dog 1 by 1. Nigga not run, my gun. Another one gone, 5. Let me forget a big wave and we call that tidal. He's a man.
A big wave, we call that tidal. You see me gunshot, I wash up on the
Dad, up here, gonna make it like never before. For the body shoot, time me kill, I get to reward. And I see the amount of body where we left on the
for the body shoot, time me kill, I get reward. I want to man.
Like never before. For the body shoot, time me kill, I get to reward. And I see the amount of body where we left on the floor. Reprisal, please get spooky, you know we arrival.
I want to know body will left on the reprisal. Please get spooky, pan we arrive. Yo, come on.
For them pussy with dark and we know. Killer jump out and every man like.
We have to pull up that hook. I gotta pull up that hook, bro. That hook crazy, bro.
The amount of body where we left on the floor. Reprisal, please get spooky, you know we arrival. Go for them pussy with dark and we know. Killer jump out and every man lie down, yeah.
Killer jump out every bad head. Man lie down, I want to man with dark and where I go. Yeah. Came on demon time, bro. The man said, no peace. I could have got a beg.
My whole team we curse and anybody shout 7 get a big biggest. We lunatic, you know the 6 men send the buzz. We are gonna give them everything because they meant to be first made. Me get a big stick for work and everybody over this so that's fit.
Me get a big wake, I want you. And everybody, hey, come in.
Because they meant to be first made. Me get a big stick for work and everybody over this so that's fit for dead. The mount the rifle up and up at that shift there.
Man, say me get a big stick for wave it. You see me? And everybody over there so fit for dead. You see me? Mount a rifle, open up. The shift it hurt, bro. I'm gun, shifting earth off my axis. You see me? I say, I ain't gun them till yo, Kman deadly, you know? Easy, you know that? Reprisal. This bad, gang. Let me know what you
No presidential clip, bro, yeah.
Sure.
Pussy.
Ooh, dog, this president again. Dog, you must have no presidential clip around here. See them. Alright. Yo. Every time the man this president something up in the dark. Oh, go ahead.
No presidential clip, bro, yeah. Pussy. Step on them. Ball be rise, the Celtic mash them head. The boy full of tough chat, no him can.
Man say step on them. Ball be rise, the rifle make we bust them head.
Left bed, pretty dark, the way I turn red. One move, one next dead up. One month, the body we left, the must fed up. Boy, try.
Lord, I'm scared, man. So pretty dark, so till we hear them red, brother. You see me? Them dead up. Mount a body with them fed up.
Them ball be rise, the Celtic mash them head. The boy full of tough chat, no him can left bed. Pretty dark, the way I turn red. One move, one next dead up. One month, the body we left, the must fed up. Boy, try run.
Man say wrong move and next dead up. You see me mount a body we left, they must fed up. Yo.
And dive, we get bent up. 6ixx rise, hell up. Couldn't try friend us. When the one girl us. Here's some mind. Make it like never before. Fit the body shoot and make it like it every one. No set them out.
Shoot, make it like get reward. Slam, bro. Hey, Kman.
The body we left on the floor. Reprise. Please get spooky, you know we arrival. Go feel them pussy with dark and we idle. Kill a jump out and every man lie down. Yeah. Yo, West.
Kill a jump out, everybody lie down. Get flat. Lie down a dot. I want to know, man. Face first. Down in the tar. Down in the pavement. I want to one move, everything dead. You get everything I keep. I want to.
Bank.
Yeah, man. Kman no come for play, bro. Hey.
One laugh, fully 6ixx. Don't know we stay. Yo, killer. 6 done.
Hey. Easy now, man. Hey, man.
You know we lucky island.
Yeah. 6 done. You know how we like the island. Blows and skirt. Big up Kman. Yeah, man. One of the best out of Trinity right now. Can't even deny it. You feel me? One of the best out right now. You see me as a gang, but we know nothing about the one day Kman 6ixx. Day night. Yo, man, down demon time. You see me doing like darkness. You see me? All those last couple I charge them just drop over and man say, yo, nothing not change. And I think a new year we not back down, we not calm down, we ain't slowing down. You see me? We are pressing ups. You see me? Yeah, man, we are bust them but fly them jelly anytime we get. You see me? And I say, trying to run down for me in the traffic what day on the field, say, yo, and I get timid and scared now, man. We coming out shooting, bro. In 2024, we coming out shooting years. Yo. Yeah, man, Kman still on demon time. The man even this prezi again. As the man say presidential, not presidential clip. I'm to some. Hey! You see me? That is crazy, bro. Yeah, man, every time in this prison, you know, something happen in the dark. Some shooting, one I'm bridging them. You know what I'm saying? Something happens. So we don't know in the dark. We have to look out, you know. You see me? I say, because I don't know anything. Every time somebody this prison, I send shots at prison sends so man at them. You see me? Well, when I say prison, so some shit happen around the 6. You see me? We don't know who I send them or whatever. You see me? But every time someone, you know, Kman did some to somebody. You see me? So we have to see what go on. But Kman now back down, nah, no fear no man. You see me? Big up to Kman, he did this thing on this track like always. Like I said, man, when you hear did I come in with 6ixx rise hell? I don't know. Anytime you hear that Kman is on demon time, people are gonna get this, apps gonna get disrespected. You see me, man, be going in, but man, no business about nobody. You see me, man? And, yo, you gotta rate that, you gotta respect that, you feel me? Yeah, man, so big up Kman, dog, doing thing, definitely had this out of Trinidad. You see me, I said dog, doing thing, man. There's no limit. You see me, dog got a lot of support from people in Trinidad and he's doing this thing. He keep making bangers, whether it's hit songs or this song, he make bangers. That definitely have the stardom. You see me, got the star power. People like his music, man. You see me, so we know how I go on again. Let me know anything about this one. Let me know what's your favorite part. Do you think anything gonna happen? Because this is crazy. You feel me? Do you think that Kman should actually switch up him tune, switch up his message after what happened? Like, should he be looking for peace? I remember saying, man, say no peace, you know, I could have got that big, you know. Man say, no peace, you know, turning back. You see me, they're at the point of no return. So I'm gonna fight the last man slightly. You see what I'm saying? Let me know on the favorite part, what y'all thoughts about this, and let me know. We'll chop it up in the comment section. You don't know. I'm going live later, so you can come over. You don't know, you can chop it up, talk it up. Send your super chats, your gifts, all that good stuff. Going live later, so look out for that, gang. Go react to the whole EP. Look like you gonna be late. You see me? So we going live. So look out for that later, gang. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself. And each other, guys. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector boy.